It's not eye level.
Okay, then bend it to the appropriate bend.
Your eyes are up here, not down here. Okay.
Technical difficulties.
Okay.
Ah!
We're good.
No, we're good. We're gonna make. Remember how I said if you watch. Alright, what's up, viewers? Welcome to Cooking with the Chick. If you watched my other video with me drinking ranch and mayo, I actually took the mayo and I'm putting in this cup, and we're gonna make mayo cookies today. That sounds gross, but apparently a mom said that her son said that it was his favorite cookies in the world. So I'll put the recipe up. Jarrell?
Yeah, I'm good.
Probably not.
I said, what's good, YouTube?
Alright, you're ugly. Alright, bye. They went to Disneyland yesterday.
Why don't you go?
Jarrell and his girlfriend, Cam and his girlfriend, and then Phil and his girlfriend.
Too bad you don't have a girlfriend.
Too bad I don't have a girlfriend. Anyone out there?
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Alright, so for the first thing, you need 1 cup of cocaine. Put sugar into this big bowl. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. This is about 2 cups, and you just don't even think about it. You do 1 cup of mayo. Alright, so the mayo substitutes the egg and the chicken. This is half a cup. This smells so gross. Wow. Yikes. I don't know. This kind of looks gross. Here's another cup. Doesn't that look tasty? Now that you have the mom and the baby together in 1 bowl, next is a pinch of salt. Salt bae? You liar! It wasn't salt! It was baking soda! Anyways, so baking soda. And whoop 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 whoop.
Is that one tasted?
Shit. Yeah, it was. What's next?
Vanilla.
What kind of house doesn't have vanilla? Do you think honey would work instead?
No.
How about soy sauce? Yeah. Soy sauce is gonna be a substitute for vanilla. Alright, we're just gonna pour that in there. Ah! Just joking, guys. I'm gonna run to the grocery store real quick and yeah. Where's the vanilla?
Look at what aisle you're in.
Thank you so much. You're welcome. Nice old lady. What? Why is it so expensive? Oh. Alright, now I need a teaspoon of vanilla extract because I had it this whole time. Teaspoon. Oh! I feel like that was more than a teaspoon.
No, it's good.
It's good? I should just drink it.
Do it. No, like seriously?
Don't do that. Do not drink the vanilla extract. She's a liar. Now that you have this glob right here, you just mix it up. And if you pour like me, you won't have a mixer, so you have to use your hand. Will this work?
Cookies? No.
Alright, before you start any of this, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. And I don't have a whisk, so I'm just gonna use this rice cooker and just mix this all up.
I guess you're using a rice cooker.
You think it's gonna taste good?
No.
I think it's gonna taste yummy. Alright guys, my oven just finished preheating at 350 degrees. And I am gonna pop them in this, Woo! Alright, pop them for 12 minutes. Timer. And now we wait. Alright guys, the cookies was finished. Alright, not bad. Alright, so guys, there seems to be a problem. I can't, pick it up. But I'm still gonna eat it. Alright guys, it's time to try this. The aroma is really just mayonnaise, and I think I've been pranked. I actually think whoever made this recipe was just pranking us. But I'm gonna eat it anyways. If only you can smell that through. That is so bad. That's so bad. Oh. Alright, it's really bad. Don't try it. I did it for you guys. Oh my god. You need to taste the mayo. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And tell me if you guys like this. If you didn't, then say this was stupid. But comment down. I actually want to throw up. Tell me if you want me to eat gross things. I'll do that. I'll do it for the next video. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.